Hey guys, a very warm welcome. I'm Hina Bhimani. You guys are watching me live on your favorite Goki app, on your favorite show, the Hina Bhimani Wellness Show. Today we're going to be discussing about how to help kids through isolation and lockdown. सबसे ज्यादा जो प्रॉब्लम होती है वो बच्चों को होती है घर पर बैठ के किस तरीके से उनको एंटरटेन करें, किस तरीके से उनको बिजी रखे, and how to convince them to not go down to play, not meet their friends. All of that is really challenging because kids love to go down, love to play, love to meet their friends. So keeping them busy, engaging them in different activities is really a challenge. So let's try to understand that today. A very interesting session for us to understand how to help our kids, okay, through isolation and lockdown, because this lockdown looks it's going to be taking a long time. Sulfi is here. Hi Sulfi, thank you so much for tuning in. Jai Singh, namaste, pranam, very warm welcome on my session. Thank you so much for tuning in. चलो मित्रों, आज को बनाए सरल शनिवार. बिल्कुल आज को बनाएंगे हम सरल शनिवार, और इस शनिवार को इंटरेस्टिंग करने के लिए जो है और हम जैसे कि मैंने कहा हम लॉकडाउन में है और पता नहीं कितना समय लग सकता है इस लॉकडाउन को, तो क्यों ना हम अच्छे कर्म करें, क्यों ना हम उन लोगों की मदद करें जिनको हम सभी की जरूरत है. लाइक इन द फ्रंट लाइन हमारे लिए जो डिफेंस करने के लिए, हमको जो बचाने के लिए है, डॉक्टर्स है, नर्सेज है, कम्युनिटी हेल्पर्स है, जो अपनी जान को दाव पे लगाकर ये सारे काम हमारे लिए कर रहे हैं. ग्रोसरी पीपल हु आर सेलिंग ग्रोसरी, पीपल हु आर गेटिंग वेजिटेबल्स फॉर हर, पीपल हु आर क्लीनिंग द रोड्स फॉर अस. Manoj Kumar ji is here. Hi Manoj Kumar, thank you so much for tuning in. So guys, we are discussing about this very important health quiz, Corona very important quiz. जो ये क्विज है, ये क्विज खास करके हमारा नॉलेज और हमारी इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है बढ़ाने के लिए है ऑन हाउ टू इम्प्रूव आवर इम्यूनिटी. कोरोना को किस तरीके से हम दूर भगा सकते हैं, क्या चीजें हमको खानी चाहिए, क्या चीजें अवॉइड करनी चाहिए, और द राइट करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन बेस्ड ऑन WHO गाइडलाइंस. नो अननेसेसरी मैसेजेस और इन्फॉर्मेशन. ये क्विज से आपकी जानकारी बढ़ेगी अपने हेल्थ के ऊपर, आपकी इम्यूनिटी के ऊपर, कोरोना के ऊपर आपकी जानकारी बढ़ेगी. और द बेस्ट पार्ट इज विद दिस क्विज, ओके, ये क्विज जो है आपको हर आधे घंटे में खेलने मिलेगा, और ये क्विज जो है ये आप खेल सकते हैं और इससे कमाए हुए पॉइंट्स आप डोनेट कर सकते हैं. बिल्कुल, आप इससे कमाए हुए पॉइंट्स उदय फाउंडेशन करके एक फाउंडेशन है जो मास्क बना रहा है हमारे फ्रंट लाइन हेल्पर्स के लिए. जैसे मैंने कहा, हमारे कॉप्स है, हमारे नर्सेज है, डॉक्टर्स है, जो हमारे रेगुलर पीपल हु आर हेल्पिंग अस आउट, उनके लिए जो है ये मास्क हम डोनेट करेंगे. तो ये क्विज खेल के हम पॉइंट्स इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं और ये पॉइंट्स हम डोनेट कर सकते हैं. फॉर मोर डिटेल्स, ओके, आप ज्यादा डिटेल्स के लिए जो है गोकी ऐप पर हेल्थ क्विज कोरोना को आप देख सकते हैं, जिस पर आपको सारे डिटेल्स और इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी. सो कम से कम हम घर पर बैठ के इतना काम तो कर ही सकते हैं कि हम क्विज खेलकर हमारे पॉइंट्स डोनेट कर सकते हैं. And I see so many people watching me live. That's so amazing. Guna is here. Namaste Guna. Thank you so much for tuning in. Varun Prasad ji, hi. Kamlesh ji, namaste. Thank you for tuning in. Jai Singh is saying, I cleaned up the entire house by myself. Saw first episode of Ramayana and Mahabharata on Doordarshan. Did a group video chat with all my best buddies. This is so cool. This is really very amazing, yaar. Matlab, you're cleaning your house at the same time you're watching this Ramayana and Mahabharata, and you are also chatting with your friends. So this is a good way to spend your day. Vimal Menon is here. Hi Vimal. Azhar is here. Hi Azhar. Thank you for tuning in. Hina is glowing and flowing today with vibrant color. Yes, pink is the color. Manoj Kumar ji, hello ji. So, Parvez is here. Namaste Parvez. Thank you so much for tuning in. हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं how to help kids through isolation and lockdown. बच्चों को हम किस तरीके से आइसोलेशन और लॉकडाउन से बचाए और किस तरीके से जो है हम उनको बिजी रखें. सबसे पहले तो जो है हम उनको शॉर्टकट में जैसे हम हमारा फोन उनको आसानी से दे देते हैं, या हम उनको टैब दे देते हैं, या लैपटॉप दे देते हैं जहां पर वो अपना यूट्यूब पे कुछ भी देखते हैं. उससे अच्छा ये है कि जैसे कि मेरी बेटी की स्कूल से हमको एक पूरा लिस्ट मिला था जो हम बच्चों को दिखा सकते हैं. साइंस शोज दिखा सकते हैं हम बच्चों को, नेशनल ज्योग्राफिक चैनल पे काफी सारे एनिमल्स के बारे में हम उनको जानकारी दे सकते हैं. सो दिस इज समथिंग यू कैन एंगेज अ चाइल्ड इन, वेयर your child will learn about, animals, will learn about nature, your child will learn about different scientific experiments. So this is something, you can show your child instead of, just randomly showing any YouTube channel for the kids. So this is what I would suggest is, make your child watch National Geographic channels, science shows, and, skills, where they learn skills. They can see how to make different crafts, okay, डिफरेंट थिंग्स. क्रिएटिविटी वो अपनी यूज कर सकते हैं, अलग अलग क्राफ्ट की एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं, ड्राइंग, पेंटिंग कर सकते हैं, बोर्ड पे वो लिख सकते हैं, अपनी हैंड राइटिंग इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, ये सारी चीजें जो है कर सकते हैं. हेमनजीत सिंह, PUBG for killing time. Oh, I would suggest that don't waste your time by playing any games. Rather, make productive use of this time, because शायद ये टाइम हमको फिर से ना मिले. And we can make the most of this time by participating in a challenge like this, which we are doing, like a quiz, health quiz. कोरोना जो है उस पे पार्टिसिपेट करके आप अपना नॉलेज भी बढ़ा सकते हैं. साथ साथ जो हमारा ऑन गोइंग चैलेंज है 30-day क्वारंटाइन, होम क्वारंटाइन वर्कआउट चैलेंज में भी आप पार्टिसिपेट करें, जहां पर आपको हर एक वीडियो देखने से, ओके, या हमारे साथ पार्टिसिपेट करने से 1 पॉइंट मिलेगा, और आप 30 पॉइंट्स जमा कर लिए तो टॉप 5 गोकी प्लेयर्स को जो है गोकी मर्चेंडाइज मिलेगा, और टॉप 100 गोकी प्लेयर्स को 3000 गोकी कैश मिल सकता है. सो गाइज, प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट एंड एनकरेज ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली ऑल्सो टू पार्टिसिपेट. What more you can do is you can click pictures of you doing different activities ऑन फिटनेस एंड हेल्थ. आप आप कैसे वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, आप किस तरीके से अपने आप को फिट रख रहे हो, तो वो पिक्चर्स क्लिक करके आप गोकी को टैग कीजिए और हमें बताइए. दैट अरीना पर भी आप डाल सकते हैं, गोकी अरीना पर, और हमें बताइए कि किस तरीके से आप इस टाइम का प्रोडक्टिव यूज कर रहे हैं. Guna is saying doctors, nurses, hygiene, sanitation workers, policemen, volunteers, noble cause, and thank you to Goki for involving us too. Absolutely, this is such a great thing that Goki is doing, is by involving all of us, so that we also feel that we are helping these people who are helping us, because we cannot step out and do anything. All we can do is we can support them, we can donate something. which is so important is mask, और ये सारी चीजें हम डोनेट कर सकते हैं. Best time to teach kids yoga and meditation in game format. Absolutely can't agree to you more. बच्चों को जो है आप बिठा के अपने साथ स्ट्रेचेस करवा सकते हैं, मेडिटेशन करवा सकते हैं. This is the best time, and this you should actually utilize this time to engage your child into spirituality, fitness and health. They will really enjoy it, and they will learn also quite a lot. Best time to watch Epic channel to learn about culture and history of Bharat. Absolutely great. Full form of bliss. Yes, bliss का full form दिया है जय सिंह ने. breathing life into सबका सबकॉन्शियस. उनके गुना जी जय के सारे फुल फॉर्म्स और सारे क्या कहते हैं rhymes amazing होते हैं. So guys, get your kids involved in these activities. Teach your kids meditation. उनको मंत्र, okay, you can teach them Om chanting. So you can help them to do it. Om chanting is such a positive vibration which will make them also feel positive, and this positive vibration goes to the universe, okay, and we all need to spread positivity. So explain them the importance of doing these chants. Do the chanting with them, they will learn these chants. Do yoga with them. You can start reading to them all these if you have books at home, so you should spend at least some 10 to 15 minutes, if not more than that, on reading. So read to your child, do some drawing with your child. You can play some activity with your child. So involve your child, so that of course you have to do your own work also, but I would say every 1 hour or 2 hour, ensure that you are giving some time to your child, involving your child in the activities that the child likes, and also involve the child in the home activities. Like you can ask the child to fold the clothes and give it to you. You can ask the child to help you to clean the vessels, to wash the clothes. I'll give you one example, like how I taught my daughter to wash clothes. Is I gave her 2 big vessels. In one vessel I put plain water, and in one I had put soap water. So So I told her first you have to dip the dirty cloth into the soap water, rub it nicely, and then you have to put it in. I had put very little soap so that the soap can easily come out in the clean water, and then you have to dip the cloth in the clean water and rub it. So that's how they learn, and she enjoyed it so much that she wanted to do it more, and that kept her busy for 35 to 40 minutes, and she did all small napkins I gave her to wash. So you can give your napkins, okay, to wash, and that's how they will learn. And then you can help them to clip cloths if you're drying out in the sun. You can show them how to brush the cloth. You can show them how to clean their own shoes. All these small activities. You can teach them how to do plaiting, okay, plates कैसे बनाते हैं, choti kaise banate hai. So you can give your hair and you can teach to your child. So all these things kids really enjoy. They don't like playing games and with the toys all the time. They like to do other activities also. With games and all these things they can play for some time, but they normally like to participate in things that we do, and we normally tell our kids that please don't disturb us or don't spoil it. But you should rather involve your child. You can teach them how to sweep. You can teach them how to clean the floor. They will really enjoy it and they will learn it, and you never know, they will start doing better than you, and you can leave that work to them. तो उनका खेलना भी हो जाएगा और हमारा काम भी हो जाएगा. So this is how you can keep your child busy. Also focus on child's immunity. Okay, don't give your child anything which is too cold or anything which is too spicy. Basi khana avoid करे देना. Give them fresh food, fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts दीजिए, healthy चीजें दीजिए. Make sure that once in a day, every day, you give your child a herb mix which has 1 teaspoon of haldi, pinch of black pepper powder, pinch of दालचीनी which is cinnamon powder. उसमें आप थोड़ा सा हनी डाल दीजिए. इसको मिक्स करके, और 100 ड्राई जिंजर पाउडर है तो वो डाल दीजिए, या तो फ्रेश जिंजर जूस है वो डाल दीजिए. इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करके बच्चों को रोज सोने के पहले ये 1 चम्मच दीजिए, ताकि उनकी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी रहे और वो बार बार बीमार ना पड़े. सो बच्चों की इम्यूनिटी भी जो है ऐसे वक्त पर बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. Absolutely, Jay is right. Good time for involving kids in cooking recipes and learning about masalas. Yes, they can learn about masalas. That's a good idea too. Parvez is saying my son's classes are going on as his schools arrange online classes for all students from their respective teachers. That's so cool. Teachers are calling and teaching kids with different apps. This is amazing. So thank you so much, Parvez. By the way, guys, Parvez is an amazing marathon trader and he does amazing sessions on fitness. So you have to go and subscribe to his session and ensure that you watch his session. So after my show, please go and subscribe to his session. Parvez, if you could share your show timing, it would be great. Jay Singh is saying I've uninstalled PUBG and now I'm eating sabji. Wow, this is so cool. So uninstall your PUBG and eat sabji. A good suggestion given by Jay Singh. And sharing the worksheets as homework. This is so cool. Thanks for requesting him for not to play PUBG. Hasmukh Jain ji, how are you? Thank you for tuning in. If color is pink, Hina will surely say no means no to bad health, negativity and COVID-19. Yes, we all should be the pink of health. We all can be healthy, we all can be happy if we follow the WHO guidelines, and instead of going outside, we take our journey inside, focus on our inner self, focus on our inner growth, focus on understanding how to improve our immunity and make the most of the time that we have, rather than complaining that things that we can't do. This is a time to sing Lori to the children, read to them, teach them positive affirmations, make them write affirmations. Absolutely, this is actually the time where you can teach them how to write. If they are writing already, you can make them write affirmations, and you can teach them the importance of affirmations. Okay, so what you can do is if you want to know a list of positive affirmations, I can give you some, but you can also Google positive affirmations for the kids. So they can start writing positive affirmations. They can start making a gratitude jar where they can make small notes and put it in that jar and write about the positive one thing that they are grateful for. They can write many things, but at least writing one thing that they are grateful for. This activity can be done in the start of the day, or can be done before you go to, your bed. So, involve your child, and this can become a habit. And this is such a positive habit for a child that, a child will enjoy doing this. That, if you forget, your child may come and remind you, okay, let's write the positive affirmations. So read to them positive affirmations, explain them the importance of positive affirmations, explain them why is it important. Just don't ask them to stay at home, give them the right valid reason what is happening. Don't let them sit in front of news channels and let them watch it. Don't do that. Explain them in your own simple way that this is what is happening around the world. We have to be careful. We need to pray for everyone. We need to avoid meeting people. Why? Give them correct reasons so that they are convinced and they follow. Otherwise they will not follow. You have to give reasons to your kids. Sai Karthik is saying, what is this session all about? Please let me know. Sai Karthik, this session is about how to help kids through isolation and lockdown. Sai, because kids are someone, they get really, upset if they have to sit at home and, they cannot go out, or you can't take them out. They really get upset. So this is a session where you have to tell your, where we are trying to bring out points, how you can keep your kids engaged, how you can improve their immunity, and how you can basically help a child through this problem. Yes, it is a lot of fun, Zulfi. It is. MSB RK, hello. Thank you for tuning in. Jay Singh, good time for children to watch old serials on Doordarshan like Circus, Bomkesh Bakshi, Ramayana, Mahabharata, the era when series were made with content. Absolutely. These series, these programs which we are seeing on Doordarshan had so much of information, had good content. So you can, engage a child in watching such serials where they can learn and they can understand. That was so thoughtful. Rather than going outside, we focus inside to inner self. Thank you so much, Zulfi. Hina is sending messages of poha, pink of health always. Oh my God. Jay, your full forms are just too good. So, how to help your kids through isolation, lockdown? We have got some amazing pointers coming from you guys also. So, Jay, thank you so much for sharing such wonderful pointers. I have shared many pointers, and I see so many of you all watching, guys. Please keep sharing what you guys do to keep your child busy. How do you engage your child? How do you, help them to fight through this isolation and lockdown? So, keep sharing your tips. Would love to hear from you all. सबकी ideas जो है बहुत ही interesting है, and we can compile all these ideas and we can share it with everyone. Girish is here. Hi Girish, namaste. Thank you so much for tuning in. Very, very warm welcome on my show. We are discussing about kids, how to help kids through isolation and lockdown. So, you can actually start giving them food that they don't like, okay, and you want them to eat, like, a lot of kids are fussy eaters. They don't like to have certain sabjis. They don't like to have certain things. So, you can, encourage them to try different vegetables. You can encourage them to, try different fruits. Here, you can give more time. पहले जो होता है, हम busy होते हैं अपने काम में. We are running around, we can't give sufficient time to our kids to feed them, but now you have the time. So now you can give time to your child to make them try different vegetables, and you can tell them the importance of it. So all these things you can try. We can collect all bottles in the house and play bowling with the kids at home. Yes, that's what we do too. So you can collect the bottles and you can play bowling. That is a nice game. We also play badminton at home. Yes, so we've got small bat at home, and we try to play badminton at home. We try to play with the ball. How many times you can, you keep hitting the ball without letting it go. So all these small interesting activities you can involve your child in. And more than involving your child, you also enjoy it, and this is the time you will always cherish, the time that you spend with your child doing these activities. They will always remember that we've learned so much. So by the end of this quarantine, we all should evolve as an individual. We all should become better person, and we all should be we all should develop good relationship with our family, our spouses, our friends, because especially our family, because we are in close contact with them all the time. So this is the time that I would suggest that we should try and build relationship, forgive and forget, and try to be more kind and be more loving and show more care, and of course participate in the activity which is happening at home. Help our family members to do different things, cooking, cleaning. So it shouldn't be only gender based कि मम्मी ही करेगी, वाइफ ही करेगी, बहन ही करेगी. Everybody should be involved in this. And feed homemade food. Yes, बिल्कुल. This is the time to stay away from child. Yes, बिल्कुल. बच्चों को जो है जंक फूड से आप दूर रख सकते हो ये समय पे, and you can फीड आपका मनपसंद घर का बनाया हुआ खाना. यू कैन मेक डिफरेंट थिंग्स दैट दे लाइक. यू कैन टीच देम हाउ टू मेक रोटीज. ओके, दैट्स व्हाट आई डू. आई गिव my daughter little time, then I make small balls for her, and then I've taught her how to make small rotis, and then I cook those small rotis for her, and she enjoys eating. Play musical chair, musical sofa with kids. Yes, this is also interesting. You won't believe, Jay, we did this yesterday. Musical chair also kids enjoy playing. So all these interesting activities, Jay, you are coming up with some amazing games which can be done at home. This is so cool. Play treasure hunt with kids. Take 10 objects, put up their pictures, and ask them to search for it. Yes, that is also very interesting. Treasure hunt is what kids normally like. Is you can give them one area and you can ask your child to search. So yeah, there are so many things. You don't actually need toys, and you don't actually need any specific games to involve your child, but all these activities kids will enjoy anytime more than just playing those basic games which are there for the kids. So yes, all these activities will keep them more and more interested. What's there in lunch this weekend? Lunch में तो हम वेजिटेरियन हो चुके हैं. We are not having any non-vegetarian food. Chicken विकन सब बंद है, फिश बंद है, मटन बंद है. We are having दही कढ़ी बनी है घर पे, राइस बना है, और सब्जी बनी है, फ्लावर और पत्ता गोभी नहीं, फूल गोभी की और कैप्सिकम की सब्जी बनी हुई है. So that's for lunch. I hope you all are eating healthy. I hope we all are not having all those ready to eat packaged foods, 2-minute noodles और ये सारी चीजें हम ना खाएं. हम healthy चीजें खाएं. और this is the time to actually stay away from chips and aerated drinks. आप कंट्रोल में रह सकता है, क्योंकि आप अभी सारी चीजें घर में ही आपको खानी है, तो आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. Yes, dahi curry is yummy and I love it. And how? Learn paper art craft from YouTube and then teach them to your child. Yes, paper art craft, kids really enjoy paper art craft, so you can also teach them paper art craft. They also love to draw. So we were making eggs for the Easter. नवरोज था हमारा, तो नवरोज में जो है हम eggs को paint करते हैं. So that activity also we did. तो हमने कलर उसके ऊपर eggs के ऊपर कलर किया. We made faces and we did different colors हमने egg के ऊपर किया. So something like that also you can do. Egg को आप कलर कर सकते हो, और you can decorate a box. उसके ऊपर आप कलर कर सकते हो. You can draw, you can put all these craft activities. So yeah, there are so many amazing ways to keep your child busy and to engage your child. They also like to iron the clothes. Okay, उनको कपड़े iron करने को भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So you can teach them how to iron clothes. But of course it should be it should be a light iron, बहुत heavy नहीं होनी चाहिए. And switch off, हल्का सा गर्म करके आप उसको turn off कर दीजिए, वायर निकाल दीजिए इसमें से, स्विच बोर्ड में से, and then you can teach them how to iron it. Okay, my daughter enjoys ironing. मैंने उसको बहुत ही लाइट वेट, सो आई गॉट अ टॉय आयरन फॉर हर, सो शी प्लेज विद दैट. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व योर चाइल्ड इन विद द एक्चुअल आयरन, बट उसको हल्का गर्म करके मेन स्विच बंद कर दीजिए, आयरन का स्विच बंद कर दीजिए, उसका वायर निकाल दीजिए, एंड देन यू कैन टीच. So this is how you can involve your child in doing different activities. You can teach your child how to use chutney कैसे बनाते, which is so simple. Don't let them do it, but you can show them, how it works. So they will really enjoy. You can show them how the cooker locks. Okay, जो pressure cooker है वो कैसे lock होता है. So they know how to lock it. So all these things, they will get more excited because they will know, okay, we know what all my mama does at home. Today's lunch is khichdi aloo chokha. Oh wow, that's great. That's so nice. खिचड़ी, I love खिचड़ी. So yeah, dinner में normally हम खिचड़ी रखते हैं, दाल खिचड़ी होती है, which is light for the stomach. Jay Singh is saying that will make them Avengers, Iron Man. बिल्कुल Iron Man बन जाएंगे and they will love it. And you can teach your kids how to clean your doll. Doll को बात दिलाना आप सिखाइए, उसके कपड़े धोना सिखाइए. I just told you how to make them wash clothes. 2 आप बर्तन ले लीजिए, एक में क्लीन पानी, एक में थोड़ा सा ही सोप डालिए ताकि it doesn't become too soapy. And they can wash their dolls or their toys जो है, soft toys छोटे छोटे है, वो wash कर सकते हैं. They can clean it. They can wash their own shoes. You can show them how to brush and clean the shoes. This is the time, I would say that, let them learn everything that you're doing at home, but in a safe way, so that, it's very safe for them. They don't, it's not harmful. तो ये सारी चीजें हमको करनी है. So guys, I see 4.33k hearts and I'm so happy to see so many beautiful hearts. 916 people watching. So guys, ऐसे ही likes भेजते रहे, ऐसे ही का ग्रुप में ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग आते रहे. Keep participating in the quiz and participate in the challenge and keep yourself busy in a productive way. Don't waste your time in watching movies and web series and all of that. Watch something, give yourself, okay, दिन का हम 30 minutes ही हम ये TV देखेंगे, या if you want to watch a movie, you can maybe decide once in a week or twice in a week we will watch watch a movie, and not more than that. So don't waste your time in or don't just kill your time doing all these things which will just you will regret about it. Okay, so sleep early so that you can wake up early, so that you have a long day to yourself. You can do your workout, you can do your chants, meditate. One request to everyone, this is the time to learn meditation. Please meditate. Give at least 2 minutes. Start with 1 minute, then go to 2 minutes to 5 minutes of meditation. You cannot focus on meditation, put on some light instrumental music and try to do your meditation. This will really make you feel good and you will feel energetic throughout the day. Believe me, this is the time to do meditation. Mom, madam, hi, special dress, super. What special, madam जी? स्पेशल ये है कि आज सैटरडे है और हम सैटरडे को घर में बैठे हैं, लेकिन हम हमारा काम नॉर्मली कर रहे हैं. सो special dresses for special show for y'all, so that I feel special, y'all feel special. उपमा with tomato coconut chutney, this is so good. उपमा बनाया है आपने with tomato, this is so healthy. Tomato coconut chutney is so nice and so delicious. So guys, ऐसे healthy चीजें बनाइए. हमारे सारे viewers बहुत सारी healthy चीजें बना रहे हैं. This is also the time to explore new recipes and try different recipes which you've never tried. क्या पता ये क्वारंटाइन खत्म होते होते हमारे पास कुछ अच्छी हेल्दी सी रेसिपीज आ जाए और हमको अच्छी भी लगने लगे. Don't feel like watching any movies or series on TV or mobile. Result in spending too much time and loss of sleep. बिल्कुल, you are so right, Jay. It is such a waste. It's a criminal waste of time. वो इतना टाइम एंड टाइड वेट्स फॉर नन. तो ये टाइम चला जाएगा, फिर से नहीं आएगा और हम अफसोस करते रह जाएंगे, हमको ये सीखना था या ये करना था. You should just make the most of the time you have and not waste at all, is all I would say. So guys, thank you so much for coming in and watching this session. This was a very useful session because more than me giving tips, Jay was giving some amazing tips. So thank you so much, Jay. You are really special. So keep coming in and keep sharing such important tips with all of us. And I would really appreciate if more people would participate in sharing tips, because all of us will learn different things, and this is a great way to contribute to the society, right? Yes जी, स्टीफन जी, हाथ आए थे हम खाली हाथ जाएंगे. बिल्कुल खाली हाथ आए थे, खाली हाथ जाएंगे. बस अच्छे कर्म करेंगे तो सब याद रखेंगे हमें. So guys, you have a wonderful day ahead. Keep watching Goki. Be there tomorrow at 9:30. I have my live session at 9:30 today. हम कुछ योगा करेंगे. So please come. Keep smiling. Take very good care of yourself and be the force. I love you all. Namaste. Do participate in the quiz. Yes, I'm always smiling for everyone, Stephen. Bye.